Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some important short type questions of ethics and values for semester 1. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु जहा फଳରେ आपण माने नुआ वीडियो रो अपडेट पाई परिबे एवं मोर मध्य उत्साह बढ़िबो एही भଳି वीडियो बनै अपलोड करिबा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. How can you replace the word fireman to make it gender neutral? फायरमैन बदଳରେ କେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଗଲେ ତାହା ଲିଙ୍ଗାଗତ ସମାନତାକୁ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେବ? Answer is fire fighter. Question number 2. What word can use in place of mankind to make it gender neutral? ମ୍ୟାନକାଇଣ୍ଡ ବଦଳରେ କେଉଁ ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଗଲେ ତାହା ଲିଙ୍ଗଗତ ସମାନତାକୁ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେବ? ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନିଟି ଅର୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ କାଇଣ୍ଡ। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 3. ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଜ୍ ୱି ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ଇମ୍ବାଇବ୍ ଟୁ ମେକ୍ ଦ ସୋସାଇଟି ଏ ସେଫ୍ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଫର୍ ଆୱାର ଓମେନ୍? କେଉଁ ମୂଲ୍ୟବୋଧ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣେଇବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଯାହାଫଳରେ କି ଆମ ସମାଜଟି ନାରୀମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସୁରକ୍ଷିତ ହୋଇପାରିବ? ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ମୋରାଲ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଜ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜେଣ୍ଡର ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁଜ୍। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନମ୍ବର 4. ଗିଭ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଜେଣ୍ଡର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍। ଲିଙ୍ଗଗତ ଭାଷାର ଏକ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦିଅ। ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ ମ୍ୟାନକାଇଣ୍ଡ, ମ୍ୟାନ ପାୱାର, etc. Question number 5. What is verbal sanitation? ଭାଷା ଶୁଦ୍ଧିକରଣ କହିଲେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝ? Answer is making language gender free or avoiding the use of sexist language is termed verbal sanitation. As we need to clean our environment, we also need to clean our vocabulary. So we should be careful about using a language which is gender neutral rather than gendered. Question number 6. Give one example of sexist language that you have studied. Answer is use of songs like "Tu cheez badi hai mast mast." Question number 7. In which year the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act was passed in India Parliament? କେଉଁ ମସିହାରେ ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲ ହାରାସମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଟ୍ ୱାର୍କପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଆକ୍ଟ ସମ୍ବିଧାନରେ ଗୃହୀତ ହୋଇଥିଲା? ଆନ୍ସର ଇଜ୍ 2013. In 2013, the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act was passed by the Indian Parliament to provide protection to women in their workplace. Question number 8. Mention the worldwide movement that brought harassment of women at workplace to social media exposure. Answer is Me Too movement. In October 2017, this movement went viral on social media. Question number 9. What is CEDAW? Answer is CEDAW stands for Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. It is an international legal instrument that requires countries to eliminate discrimination against women and girls in all areas and promotes women's and girls' equal rights. Question number 10. Which is recognized as the first women's right movement of the world? The first attempt to organize a national movement for women's rights occurred in Seneca Falls, New York in July 1848. Question number 11. Name a woman who has broken the glass ceiling. Answer is Pratibha Patil, India's first woman president, serving between 2007 to 2012. Question number 12. Give an example of gender stereotyping at work. Answer is we find positions of nursery teachers, nurses, teaching jobs, front office managers, assistants, attendants, secretary are occupied by women, whereas top positions like machine operators, captain of ship, members of armed ships, CEOs are occupied by men. Question number 13. What makes women's work invisible? Answer is actually women do a lot of work, but their contribution goes unrecognized because their labor is unpaid. Unpaid work of women makes their hands invisible. Question number 14. What does STEM stands for? STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics. Question number 15. Mention the types of domestic violence. Domestic violence against women can be physical, sexual and physiological. Physical violence includes slapping, hitting, kicking and beating. The common sexual abuses women face are forced intercourse and other forms of sexual coercion. Physiological abuse includes acts like intimidations, constant belittling, humiliating, monitoring their movements, and restricting their access to information or assistance. Question number 16. The movie Chapak is based on whose life story? The movie Chapak, which is released in 2020, directed by Meghna Guljar, is based on the life story of Lakshmi Agarwal. She is an acid attack survivor. Question number 17. What value promotes domestic violence? Domestic violence promotes mental health problems. It have a very bad impact on our children's and next generations. Question number 18. What is femicide? Femicide is the killing of a woman or girl, particularly by a man, on account of her gender. Most cases of femicides are committed by partners or ex-partners. Question number 19. Mention the name of a state that has launched safe houses for girls to save them from honor killing. Answer is Kerala. Kerala government launched in December 2019 a service to manage safe houses in each district to avoid honor killing. Question number 20. In which year the Dowry Prevention Act came into force in our country? Answer is the Dowry Prohibition Act came into force on 1st July 1961. Question number 21. Define dowry. Dowry is practice associated with marriage of girls. It is a payment made by a woman to her husband's family upon marriage. It refers to the property given to the groom or his family either directly or indirectly. Question number 22. Who was the child iconic ambassador of this Bal Mitra program in Rajasthan? Payal, a girl from Rajasthan. Question number 23. In which state of India honor killing is more prevalent? Answer is Jharkhand. Question number 24. According to you, which articles of the Indian Constitution is violated by the practice of child marriage? Answer is Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 and the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929. Question number 25. In which state of India mass child marriage takes place on the day of Akshaya Tritiya? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 26. What is the opposite of free consent in marriage? Answer is forced marriage. Question number 27. In which year the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act was passed in India? Answer is 2007. Question number 28. Mention a gender bias you see around you in your family. Answer is in most of the families, daughters are considered as parayadhan, that is, property belonging to others. ଝିଅ ଜନ୍ମ ପର ଘରକୁ. Daughters are treated as liabilities and sons are looked upon as assets. Question number 29. What is consent in marriage? Consent is a form of agreeing to marriage. Marriage shall be occurred with the free and full consent of both boy and girl. Question number 30. What can you do to keep your elderly parents happy? Answer is we need to repay our debts to our grandparents by keeping them happy through our care and loving behavior. We need to spend quality time with them.